Let's take a look at Bouncy Maps and how it works. So what you'll see here is the map of the world, and at the top you'll have various different aspects that you can look at in relation to the world and the production of different resources and the involvement of different countries and those resources. One thing that I like is it starts off with population. It is based off of the 2019 numbers, so that could be a little different now. However, down underneath the map you'll be able to switch it over to Bouncy by switching the toggle. And what that's going to do is it's going to show you how different countries play into various different aspects. So when we're looking at something along the lines of minerals, let's say we're interested in cobalt as we're looking at the production of electric vehicles. Cobalt is definitely a material that is needed, and you can see that the Democratic Republic of Congo and Cuba, as well as Australia, are big nations that have lots of these different resources. If we wanted to look at agriculture, you could go over here. Let's say we're interested in coffee. So now we can see what nations have a lot of connection with coffee and the production of coffee as well. So it's just a really cool resource to use. I like looking at oil reserves, seeing where the world's oil is located. Again, you're starting to see some patterns here. The Middle East has a lot of oil reserves. Venezuela has a lot of oil reserves. You can see Russia up there has a good bit, as well as the United States and Canada. Something that is also pretty cool to look at is some of the green energy. So looking at solar energy, where is that being produced? We've got Japan, China, a lot of the European nations in the United States. We could look at wind energy. Where is wind energy big? And again, you see some of the similarities there. So it's really nice to see patterns based off of different commodities, based off of different resources, and different economical aspects that can impact the way we work and operate around the world.